Hi everyone. Today we will be discussing about types of employments available in product development company, and this is my next video in series of types of employments available within SAP. Now let's understand what is a product development company. Now, product development company is basically SAP Labs in case of SAP, or ERP product organization who actually build these products. Usually, they have development centers across the globe, and mostly in the primary markets like EMEA, North America, etc. In every country, they will have their presence. Um, Now, these product-based companies, they will develop these various products, and they will do the development and testing in these development centers. And then once the product has reached a particular level, they will release it as a support pack, or might be a new version of the corresponding SAP product. Now, other than SAP Labs or the core ERP product organization, there will be various other product-based companies which will collaborate with SAP or the other ERP organization to build the SAP or other ERP product. Now, let me give you example of this. A few years back, SAP had developed Adobe Forms, and for that you need to do some integrations and some product development on Adobe Form side also. So what SAP or the ERP software will do is they will collaborate with the Adobe or the other product company, and they will build a product together. So you might also work in some other product company and build a product which is related to SAP. The latest example is SAP IBP. I recently worked on that. So wherein based on user requirements, it was understood that most of the business planning which is happens in Excel sheets. So SAP developed a add-on for SAP IBP with Microsoft Excel. So what would have happened in this case is SAP would have collaborated with Microsoft and their Excel team and developed the APIs and the interface between SAP and SAP IBP and Excel. And so in this case also, what will happen is both SAP will also recruit few team members who know Microsoft Excel in detail, as well as Microsoft will also recruit few team members who know SAP in detail, because it will be a joint collaboration. So these are just two examples which I gave you. There might be a number of similar examples. Besides these big companies, there will be few startups also who will be doing certain product development. Now, these products, ERP products, are existing in the business world for a long time, and there are experts in SAP who have been working in a particular module or a domain or an area for a long time. So they identify typical customer requirements, let's say for a particular industry, like let's say retail industry or oil industry or some FMCG industry, which are very common, which type of developments which are very common. And over a period of time, they collate all these requirements and develop their own product, which they later on sell it as a add-on to the SAP existing SAP functionality. So these are also few options wherein you can get into product development with respect to SAP or ERP. Now, types of roles in a product company, they are a little bit different from those which are there in the end user company and the service-based company. They will usually have developer and business analyst who will be working in collaboration. Business analyst will try to understand the requirements from the product manager, and they will ensure that the developer develops the product according to the business requirements, and they will do the testing, basic functional testing. Apart from the business analyst, they will hire a lot of testers or testing team as well, because they will be having various builds of these products which will be released for testing. They will identify the bugs, and then these bugs will be again sent to the developers to get it fixed, etc. And this is where you will typically work in an agile environment. You will have a product manager who will be managing the overall product, and also you will be having project managers who will be doing project management. Now, product manager is no different in SAP, and those which are working on some other product or non-ERP products. They will typically understand and represent the user needs, define a vision for a product, like what the product should be at the end, and they will align the stakeholders around the vision of the product, and they will also be responsible for prioritizing the product features and capabilities, etc. It is a typical product manager's role. Now, uh, if is it possible to have a product manager who is from a non-SAP background? Yes, definitely it is possible to have a product manager who is from non-SAP or non-ERP background to build a ERP product. But usually people prefer who are from the ERP background, because they know the business processes and the terms and technologies which are used in SAP or ERP product to become a product manager. So that is how it usually works. Not necessary, it's not a thumb rule. Now, the next topic which we will be covering is consulting firms. So keep on watching my video. Thank you. Bye.